Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. So far, we have discussed many things in this lesson, that is conservation of plants and animals. So we have come to end of this lesson. So last two topics are remaining, that is reforestation and recycling of paper. So now let us see what are the other things, that is to conserve the wildlife and plants. So far we have discussed many things like deforestation, consequences of deforestation, and many other things also, isn't it? And what are the results you are going to get by deforestations and all, isn't it? Migration we have studied, wildlife sanctuaries we have studied, national park we have studied. So these are the remaining two topics which we are going to study, that is one is recycling of paper and another one is reforestation, which contributes to the saving the forest. If you save the forest, then only you can conserve wildlife and plants, isn't it, children? Because forests are nothing but the shelter for the wildlife and plants. So all the topics whatever we have studied so far, whatever we have discussed, tells us that forests are important to conserve wildlife and plants. How can we protect the forest? We have to decrease the necessity of trees for various commercial uses like paper and other things. Paper is extensively used by us, isn't it, children? It is grown, it takes 17 full grown trees to make 1 ton of paper. You know one thing, 17 fully grown trees is used to make 1 ton of paper. But not only directly from the tree we cannot make the paper, there are many processes. They extract that oil or something fluid like from the tree, and they take it to the factory, and many processes are there. That all we'll study in the higher classes. But lot of energy, lot of processes are there to make a paper. First imagine how long time it takes to grow 17 trees. Just imagine, children, when we plant a saplings, it takes nearly years together to grow in a big tree, isn't it, children? So we have to water them, we have to put manure them, we have to take care of them, and we have to remove the weeds and all which are grown aside by them, isn't it, children? So it takes a lot of time. Just imagine 17 fully grown trees will make a 1 ton of paper, isn't it? And you know, we can save many trees in a year also. We have to save. We have to save. And we have to save, and we have to reuse the paper, whatever the paper you are using now. You know, children, for craft things and other things, how much paper you will be wasting, isn't it? Piece of papers will be fallen in the classrooms. You know that? Isn't it? Lot of papers we are wasting nowadays, isn't it? For many purposes. So we have to save them, we have to reuse the used paper, and we have to recycle it. But by this we not only save trees, but also save energy and water needed for manufacturing paper. Moreover, the amount of harmful chemicals used in paper making will also be reduced. You know, many chemicals are used while manufacturing of paper and all, isn't it, children? So we have to use them, isn't it, children? Trees are obviously are used to manufacture many things. Okay, not only the paper, that wood is also used for making furnitures and other things also. You know that construction for factory purposes and all. Okay, but before that, whatever the paper is used by the help of those trees and all, those papers are also very essential for us, and we have to save them, isn't it? This is all about the recycling of paper. You know one thing, that some paper vendors will be coming near your house and all, raddi and all. So we have to give the papers, whatever the waste paper we have to give them, because they recycle them and they use it for other purposes and all. So in unnecessary we should not throw here and there. We have to collect it, store it, and give it for the vendors. At least for their use it will be needful. Okay children, so this is all about the recycling of paper. So what about the reforestation children? Reforestation is nothing but the growing the trees. Reforestation is nothing but the growing the trees, isn't it children? It is nothing but the growing trees. Many trees are grown in the name of Vana Mahotsava. You know Vana Mahotsava? Vana Mahotsava is nothing but the plants are planted in the name of this Vana Mahotsava. Okay children. Reforestation is restocking of the destroyed forest by planting new trees. The planted trees should generally be of the same species which were found in that forest. Okay, reforestation is done by the government. We discussed many consequences like topsoil gets eroded, fertility of soil decreases, water holding capacity decreases, groundwater level decreases. So it leads to drought and severe water scarcity, that is nothing but the desertification. So to avoid these all activities, more trees have to be planted, isn't it children? We have to plant more trees. In the deforested area is left undisturbed, it re-establishes itself in natural reforestation. There is no role of human beings. We have already caused tremendous damage to our forest children. If we have to retain our green wealth for future generations, plantation of more trees is the only option. See, whatever the plants we are seeing in our generation, if this continues, what this deforestation and all continues, we cannot see this much also trees in our future. So there is some precaution. They have to take some precaution. What precaution we have to take? Plantation has to be done. Plantation of more trees has to be done. That is the one thing. This act is aimed at preservation and conservation of natural forest and meeting the basic needs of people living in or near the forest. Okay, so these are the some things which we have studied in this lesson. Okay children, what we have studied? We have come to know that we have to show the concern to the greenery. Everybody must demand for the green future. Okay, so we have to plant more trees. We have to avoid the cutting of the trees. Isn't it? Lot of consequences we have studied. Lot of things we came to know. So for the awareness of these all only, this lesson is included in your syllabus. That is conservation of plants and animals. Okay. So now I hope all the children are aware of this. Isn't it children? See, many things causes due to this cutting of the trees. Isn't it children? We have studied many things in this lesson. Okay. So far, don't cut the trees, and if anybody cuts also, if you see anybody cutting the trees also, stop them. Tell them not to cut the trees. Trees are very important for our living. Okay children, I hope you have understood this lesson. Question answers will be sent later in the group, and please submit the papers on Monday, and project work also, whatever I have given assignments, you have to bring along with the FA2 answer sheet. Okay children, if you have any doubts, we'll discuss in the live classes. Okay children, thank you.